Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off Netflix autopay. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off Netflix autopay, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Netflix application. Once opened, you want to select your primary Netflix profile. Now, go ahead and click on My Netflix at the bottom right. Locate and click on the hamburger at the top right. Then select Account. Once you click on Account, you want to hang on. To cancel autopay on your Netflix, you need to scroll down and click on Cancel Membership. Once you click on Cancel Membership, you want to scroll down to where you see Cancel, click on it. Now, go ahead and click on Finish Cancellation. Once you click on Finish Cancellation, this is going to cancel your Netflix autopay. And if you don't want to cancel your Netflix subscription, you can easily come here, click on Pause for a month. This is going to pause your Netflix subscription for a month, and autopay is going to turn off for that particular month. However, if you want to turn off autopay completely on Netflix, you will need to cancel your Netflix membership. And to do that, you need to click on Cancel, click on Finish Cancellation, and after that, your Netflix autopay will be turned off. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to turn off Netflix autopay. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.